Hello and welcome to my channel DIY with Aurea. If this is your first time stopping by, consider subscribing, giving me a thumbs up, and hitting that notification button. Today I have thrift flip and Dollar Tree items. We will be doing several DIYs. Stick around for our DIYs. DIY number one, I have this frame that I will be taking this back part out. So like that I can go ahead and start framing it with this gift bag from Dollar Tree. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut the front part of it, and I am just gonna go ahead and frame it. And this is so nice and simple. The frame was thrifted and I bought the bag for $1. Once it's completely cut, I will go ahead and frame it. Let me know what you think about this simple and easy DIY. I love it, and this will be in my wall for this season. I love it. Comment below and let me know if you've done something similar. And now let's go ahead and do DIY number two. I have this cutting board that a dear friend of mine gave me last year for Christmas. I have this little sleigh that I paid $1 at Dollar Tree. I will be hot gluing it to the middle of the cutting board. So once it's glued in the middle, I have some greenery. I also have pine cone and some berries. I will be hot gluing it on the snowman's hat. And you see the jute twine on the sleigh. I am going to also be cutting that later on. I just totally forgot, but no big deal. And I also have these berries. Like I said before, I'm going to cut just a little piece of it and I'm going to hot glue it right by the hat. Right here. It's going to turn out beautiful. This ribbon, I love this ribbon from Dollar Tree. I'm going to take a big piece. I'm going to put it sort of like a scarf. And then under the scarf, I will be hot gluing some berries and some Christmas greenery. Look how beautiful this is turning out. I have this Merry, like a Merry Christmas. I'm gonna go ahead and paint it. You could use whatever color you want, but I prefer this one from Apple Barrel. I'm gonna go ahead and paint it, and once it's completely dry, I will hot glue it right here on top of the sleigh. Let me know what you think about it, and I think it turned out absolutely gorgeous. I truly do love it. What do you think about this? Isn't it gorgeous? Looks completely different. I love this cutting board, the way it turned out. Absolutely beautiful. And let's go ahead and do DIY number three. I bought this at Goodwill for $1.99. And I have this vinyl paper from Dollar Tree. It's glittery, and this beautiful decorative paper from Michael's. I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna frame it, but because the paper has the deer is not big enough, I'm going to put this glittery vinyl paper on the border. Just like you see, it's gonna turn out absolutely beautiful. And this is how it's turning out so far. I love it. You see the glittery paper right here? Well, glittery vinyl, I should say. And I went to my Joy Cricut and I printed out a deer. using some of that transfer tape, I'm going to go ahead and cut a piece, and I will go ahead and put that deer right on top of this frame right here. I think it looks so beautiful. This is turning out beautiful. Now I have these two deers, they're ornaments. I'm going to go ahead and paint them in black. They're already nice and dry. And I also took this joy sign from Dollar Tree, galvanized, and I painted also in black. I'm going to hot glue everything to the frame. And before I glue these deers, I have this metallic gold paint. It's acrylic. I will be painting both of the scars around their neck, and then we can go ahead and proceed to glue it on top of this frame. I love it. I also have a gold ribbon. I will be making a bow. I will be putting it on top, and there goes the ribbon. And let me know what you think about this DIY. I absolutely love it. Isn't it beautiful? I also made a different frame that I will be showing you here right now. Didn't want to bore you, but this is the way it looked. I took my Cricut Joy and printed out the Joy. The frame was thrifted. I put a bow on it and the glittery vinyl paper from Dollar Tree. And this is the way it looks. I want to thank you for sticking around until the end of my video. I truly appreciate every single one of you. Please comment, share, subscribe if you haven't done so. So like that I can see you in my next video. Thank you. Please stay safe. Merry Christmas, and I will see you in my next video. Take care. Adios.